Hello, beautiful people. Hello, my wonderful people. Hello, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Thank you very much once again for your love and support. I really do appreciate. Thank you very much, all the wonderful people that always support this channel, showing all the videos. I do appreciate. Today, I have a wonderful one, a very quick one as that. I don't really want us to waste much time to deliberate on this issue. Now, follow me and let's dive into this issue. Before then, in case you are seeing my face, I'm Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube any day, anytime. All right, my wonderful family, I just want to react to David Umahi. Do you hear the latest? Now, the latest now is that the Southeast governors, they are planning another Operation Python dance. Yes, they are planning another Operation Python dance to the Southeast part of Nigeria. That is now in their table right now. That is what they are now planning. That they want to bring in the military again to do that which they did in 2015. Can you imagine this? Can you imagine? Can you just watch that? Can you just watch this? Can you just listen to this? Can you just listen to it? And now, because they could not bear the heat and the loss during this sit at home, they knows how to talk about this sit at home, that IPOP has brought in this sit at home, IPOP has done this, has done that. They can organize area boys that are hungry, people that are stressed, now in Nigeria, hunger. That is why they don't really want to release the economy of this country, because they know that they can only control the brain of some lazy youth through this particular aspect. That is where they use them. They use them as tools. They use them in operation like this. When the hunger is too much, they knew. They say, yes, now the hunger is not much on them. Let's release the arrow. They will shoot the arrow. And what is that arrow? Arrow of giving them 5,000 naira to set their future for 8 years, 4,000 naira, 2,000 naira, and 1,000 naira, and so many more. Do you now know that? Now that this election is coming, all of them now, they are running up and down just to make sure this sit at home collapse. But no big deal, because the DOS suspend this sit at home a very long time. All right, now, look at the point I want to bring now. Do you know that the fear of these people is for them to lose one thing or the other that is in the hands of the Nigeria government? Why did I say so? Look at what David Umahi said. He has been lamenting that the IPOP that he knows is not a violent organization, or is not a violent agitation, that he has been in this agitation for long before now. They are not violent. They are very good people. They are this, they are that. But let me ask them one question. Before the Operation Python dance comes into existence, what were the plan of the IPOP? What were the position of the IPOP? What were they using as their weapon? These are the questions that we need to be asking these people, because enough is enough. You cannot just raise up one morning and say that the IPOP has changed strategies. Meanwhile, you are the author. Before the Operation Crocodile dance, that they dance to the southeastern part of Nigeria, how do the IPOP operate? They are not violent. They only speak with microphone. They only speak with their phone. What is their weapon? Recharge card. What is their weapon? Phone. What is their weapon? Their mouth. They don't even know anything. And what did you people do? Because they are quiet, because they don't have this weapon that you know that you can supply to Fulani herdsmen, you oppress them. You make them to drink water. You make them to die in a mud. And tomorrow you are telling them that the IPOP agitator that you know, they are not violent. Where were you when the Operation Python dance into Biafra land? Where were you people? Where were you people when Hope Uzodinma controlled the military men? Where were you people? Southeast governors, where are you people from? Now, the latest, you can easily tell people that you are not a Biafran. Where were you people? When they were killing your people every day, morning, afternoon, evening, where are you people? And that is the list of it. Now they just released a press and said, if they allow Biafra to come, That means, listen, these people, they know the right from the wrong. These people, they are aware of everything that is going on. These people, they know how to settle the crisis right before them. I am telling you, believe me, they know how to settle these things. But do you know the funniest thing? They just rose up and they said, if they allow Biafra to come, that they are going to lose. That before now, they have been sponsoring Nigeria with their oil money. That before now, they have established a lot of business with their oil money. That before now, they have been the ones that is sponsoring a lot of things in Nigeria. So if they go now, they are going to lose all those things. Use your brain. Use your tongue to count your teeth. If you go now, you are going to lose all those things. And if you did not lose those things, if you did not lost, you start sponsoring them with your oil money. It will even come to a time that oil will not even be invoked anymore. Yes, then you people will understand the meaning of Nigeria. You guys have not really understand the meaning of Nigeria right now because they are getting little things from your oil money. When oil turn to cheap particle, when oil is no longer in the market, they will be the first person to tell you people to go. Let's bear this word. Now that you so eager, that you have done a lot of things, like you have sacrificed a lot for Nigeria. Don't you know that where you have sacrificed for Nigeria is okay? Yes, it is okay. Now you can take your responsibility. So you guys still lost and believe in this Biafra. Come, let me tell you, this Biafra you are seeing is a spirit. If the spirit of Biafra is in you, there is nothing anybody can do about it or say about it. That is what is going on right now. What is trendy right now is that the spirit of Biafra has already been in a lot of people, including the Southeast governors. If not, the statement of David Umahi, we know that they are still dying in silence. I am telling you this. They are dying in silence. They are just like people that are, if I'm not like people, they are under captivity and they don't know how to bring themselves out. This is the problem they are having. I am telling you, believe it or you leave it. They are dying in silence. For Umahi to make such a statement and said, if they allow Biafra to come, do you know that it's the Southeast governors? They are the ones holding this agitation. Not even the Fulani. They don't have right. They are using them to control everything. He knew very well that his people they are fighting for their rights, and he came up to say what the people need is equality. What the people need, they need somebody to care for them. What the people need, they need them to be using their oil money on them. Look at our classroom. Children are sitting down on the floor to study Oyo State. Oyo State. Children are sitting down bare floor, put their book on top their lap to write. When rain fell down, the roof is off. This is the one Nigeria, and this is what you are using your oil money to do. And tomorrow you are saying if you leave one Nigeria, if you allow Biafra to come, you are going to lose. Oh damn it. What are you going to lose? Is it your business that is a certain part of Nigeria? There's something they call transaction. You do transaction with these people. When they are coming to Biafra land, when they want to cross border, they give us, we give to them. So you are not losing anything. People are staying in overseas. They have houses there. People stay in another country. They have houses there. So why do you think that if you allow Biafra to come, you are going to lose everything that you've got before? Why? Why do you think that? Now, all of them, they are talking about sit at home, but nobody is talking about His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in DSS custody. Just for them to come out and say they are not here because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When you are not here because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu people, they are here for you. Then why are you people crying? Say you want to go and bring security agency, you want to go and do this, you want to invite the military. Invite the militants, not only the military. Pack all of them, invite them and let them come. Let them start clear up. Then that election you want to do, then you will see the reason why you will do it. Because of this election you are crying, you will see the reason why you will do it. The Biafra, you know, they are so calm. They are just fighting for their freedom. Since that they are fighting for their freedom without weapon, what have you done to hear their voice? Have you for one day said, let me even give these people a listening ears? Have you listened to them once? Have you invited them before? You said that they speak to you people. When they have been speaking to you people all this while, the language you understand, have you understood anyone? No. And now the people have said enough is enough. You have been sleeping all this while when they were crying. You have been sleeping all this while when they were killing them. You have been sleeping all this while when they were suffering. And now they take the bone by the horn, and you want to come out and say they don't need to? Oh my goodness. Why do you do that? Southeast governors refuse to hear the cry of the people. That is the problem. They refuse to hear the cry of the people. They don't know that the people, they are suffering. People are dying. There is no food anywhere. There is no electricity. There is nothing to show that things are moving well. That is why the people say they want to go. Then if you don't want them to go, why don't you do the needful all this while? Will you allow this thing to get to this extent before you decide what to do or what not to do? Come on. You can do better. You people can do better than this, than to join the people. You just have to join them, because the way it is right now, I'm not giving you assurance, because the people have decided. Only sit at home, you people are crying. Now, there is something that is leading to this sit at home. Why is these people crying on this sit at home? Or why is these people saying sit at home? Let us give them a listening ear. Have you done it before? Have you called their attention? Have you made them to understand that you love them? Have you made them to understand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be at? Have you given them your word? Have you given them your assurance? What have you been doing to make sure the leader of Biafra, His Excellency, is at? Nothing. And when the people say they need their leader, what did you expect them to do? Do you want them to keep quiet and just wait when they knew that you don't have any way or any heart to help them to bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's heart? You don't expect them to listen to you, do you? You don't expect them to listen to you, because they know that you won't do anything to them. You won't do anything to help the situation. That is why they take the situation into their hands and do it the way they want to do it. So you just have to leave them and let them be. Yes. So if you like, invite all the Operation Python 2 or Operation Python 3. It's none of anybody's business. The simple English, all the simple language, all the simple arithmetic that the Biafra have been using to sing, that the Biafra are saying, is to release His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is all. And I think that is not too big to ask. Can you imagine? You are saying IPOB is a terrorist organization. The Boku, they construct their names, they pet them, and they change another name for them. That is bandits. Yes, now they call them bandits. A very clean name, a pet name, bandit. They've not even give them once a terrorist organization. They have not. From 1 minute, from 1 moment. Then why do you think that you are so different or you are so special? That the people cannot talk. When they are oppressing them, you say they should not talk. Come on, they have to. This is what they are saying, that they are not equal in Nigeria. You are crying. You see the reason? They are not equal. There is no equality, and even you as the Southeast governor, you are not trying to help the situation. So what do they expect them to do? So do what they know how to do best, and that is what they are doing. So I see no reason why you are crying. This is just the beginning. Keep crying and keep inviting them, no problem. But it's just a matter of time. Everything will be under control. All right, now, wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. And I believe that I just dropped my own opinion, as you can see. And if you know you had just seen this channel for the first time, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I bring it for you back to back. Remember, in this channel we react to all videos, and this channel as well, our opinion is highly noted. So why don't you subscribe and join this family if you haven't, and let's be one family. Thank you very much once again. I do appreciate. And for now, I choose to leave you here. See you when I see you. For now, bye.